So this is the wood burning stove that I have in the cabin. It's a Comfort Max, Amish made. So this is the first time I've had a really big fire in it. I just wanted to see how it would work before it got really cold. So I'm testing it out. I'm pretty happy with it. As I said before, I do have electric heat because I work full time, and I'll have 3 dogs here alone, so I don't really want to just use wood. So I'm pretty happy with this though. For safety, just in case the power ever goes out, I wanted a way to heat the cabin. So it's looking good, it's working good, and I feel even more confident to get ready for winter.